Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the exact account that held the contacts and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network while plugged into power. Once signed in, open the contacts or account settings and locate the backup or restore area. This is where we act. Make sure backup timestamps predate the deletion. If they do, choose the relevant backup file or snapshot. Act now to avoid overwriting with new syncs, and pause any auto-sync features so nothing changes during recovery. Next, perform the core recovery actions. For cloud users, use Google Contacts Undo Changes or iCloud's Restore Contacts to roll back to a prior state. Choose the date that contains the lost entries. If cloud options aren't available, run trusted recovery software against a recent device or computer backup and scan for deleted vCard or CSV entries. Once you find contacts, export them as vCard or CSV immediately. This preserves a static copy and prevents future sync issues while you finish by importing the recovered vCard or CSV back to your Contacts app and then re-enable account sync once you confirm names, numbers, and emails are correct. Clean up duplicates by merging carefully and create a fresh backup to secure the restored state. If contacts still aren't recovered, try another account, an earlier backup date, or rerun the scan. If that fails, contact your carrier or a data recovery specialist. One key tip: stop adding new contacts until recovery is complete to avoid overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.